Right now, millions of people are chasing the next flashy way to make money online. Dropshipping, crypto flips, viral content, and most end up burned out or broke. But there's a small group of people doing something completely different. They're working quiet, routine remote jobs that most people scroll past on job boards. These roles don't sound exciting. They're not creative, they're not glamorous, and they won't make you famous. But here's the truth. They're stable, in demand, and they quietly pay more than many tech and finance roles. In 2026, while everyone else is fighting the algorithm, these people are earning $80,000, $100,000, even $150,000 a year from home with peace of mind. So today, we're breaking down 7 of the most boring remote jobs that are quietly making ordinary people rich, jobs you've probably never even considered. 1. Remote Compliance Analyst. If you've never heard of a compliance analyst, you're not alone, and that's exactly why it's such a hidden gem. Compliance analysts make sure that companies follow the law. It might sound like paperwork, but it's the kind of paperwork that keeps multi-billion-dollar corporations out of trouble. Banks, fintech firms, and healthcare companies rely on them to navigate ever-changing regulations. With new US and global AI data laws rolling out in 2026, compliance experts are suddenly gold dust. What's incredible is that most of this work is done remotely, analyzing spreadsheets, reviewing policy documents, flagging potential violations. You don't need a law degree, just sharp critical thinking and attention to detail. Many people start as assistants earning $65K and grow into 6-figure specialists within a few years. A simple certificate in risk management or regulatory compliance can open global doors. It's the kind of quiet career that lets you build serious wealth without any noise, stress, or uncertainty.
2. Remote Insurance Underwriter. Insurance underwriters are the invisible force behind every policy we buy: life, home, car, business, or health. They analyze data, evaluate risk, and decide who qualifies for coverage and at what cost. It sounds repetitive, but the money is impressive. In 2026, skilled remote underwriters in the US are making between $80,000 to $130,000 a year, with bonuses based on performance. The best part? The entire insurance industry has shifted online. Applications, claims, and approvals are all processed through cloud platforms. Many underwriters now work from their living rooms using AI-assisted tools that streamline calculations but still need human judgment. If you're organized and analytical, this boring job can fund an exciting life. You can even freelance for multiple insurance firms once you gain experience. And because insurance is one of the most recession-proof industries on earth, underwriters enjoy financial peace of mind no matter what happens in the economy. 3. Remote Tax Preparer or Enrolled Agent. If you dread tax season, here's the plot twist. Some people absolutely love it because it makes them rich. Remote tax preparers and enrolled agents are making serious money helping individuals, freelancers, and small businesses navigate the ever-changing IRS landscape. In 2026, tax laws are more complex than ever, especially with crypto gains, global freelance income, and AI-based deductions. That complexity creates massive demand. What's powerful about this field is scalability. You can start part-time during tax season, earning $20K to $40K in a few months, or grow into a full-time 6-figure practice. Many US tax professionals even handle global clients remotely using tools like ProConnect and QuickBooks. And once you build a loyal client base, your income compounds every year. It's not glamorous. You'll spend hours staring at forms, but every file means more income and stability. Taxes are guaranteed work. People need help every year, and those who master it never struggle for clients. 4. Remote Data Quality Specialist. In the age of AI, everyone's talking about data, but nobody talks about who cleans it. That's where data quality specialists come in. Their job is to find errors, inconsistencies, and duplicates in massive data sets before they're used by machine learning systems or analytics tools. It's quiet, repetitive, detailed work, but it's critical. One mistake in a data set can cost a company millions. In 2026, remote data quality specialists are making anywhere from $75K to $110K a year, with major corporations like Amazon, Google, and financial institutions hiring globally. The beauty is accessibility. You can enter the field with basic knowledge of Excel, SQL, or data visualization platforms. Over time, you can specialize in data governance or AI validation and earn even more. This is a job for perfectionists, the kind of people who notice tiny errors others miss. It's not exciting, but it's future-proof. Data keeps growing, and so does the demand for people who can keep it clean. 5. Remote technical writer. Let's talk about the most underrated creative meets analytical role, the technical writer. These professionals take complex systems, software, medical devices, or engineering tools, and translate them into clear, human-readable guides. It's part journalism, part teaching, and part detective work. The result? Companies can't function without them. In 2026, technical writers are in explosive demand because of the AI boom. Every app, automation platform, or API release needs precise documentation. The job pays $85K to $130K plus and often includes project-based bonuses. You can freelance for multiple companies or work full-time with flexible hours. Many successful writers pair AI tools with their own expertise to double productivity. The key skill isn't writing flair, it's clarity. If you can explain a complex process simply, you'll always be valuable. It's quiet work, but it pays like prestige. The irony is that the people writing manuals are often earning more than the engineers who build the products. 6. Remote loan processor. Loan processors are the unsung heroes of the finance world. They're the people who ensure that mortgages, personal loans, and business credits get approved efficiently. They verify documents, check income statements, and coordinate with underwriters. Most of the work happens behind a computer, perfect for remote setups. As interest rates continue to fluctuate in 2026, refinancing and debt consolidation are booming. Banks and online lenders are desperate for skilled processors who can handle volume quickly. Entry-level salaries start around $60K, while experienced professionals exceed $120K with bonuses for every completed file. The barrier to entry is low. You can start as an assistant, gain certification, and climb fast. It's one of those rare jobs where consistency is more valuable than creativity. People might call it boring, but for those earning six figures without commuting, boring feels like freedom. 7. Remote procurement specialist. Procurement specialists might not sound like millionaires, but they're the reason global businesses keep running smoothly. They manage purchasing, negotiating prices, sourcing materials, and ensuring products arrive on time. It's the kind of job that rewards discipline, communication, and strategy. Since global supply chains remain unstable in 2026, remote procurement experts are in high demand. Multinational companies now hire remote teams to manage vendors across continents. Salaries range from $80K to $140K, with performance bonuses based on savings. You don't need an MBA, just strong negotiation skills and a knack for organization. Many professionals who start in procurement later become supply chain consultants or independent contractors, earning even more. It's a job built for quiet achievers, people who don't crave the spotlight but still want to control big money decisions behind the scenes. Here's the truth most people never hear. Wealth isn't built in noise, it's built in focus. The people winning in 2026 aren't chasing viral trends or risky shortcuts. They're mastering boring skills that the world can't live without. These 7 remote jobs prove that consistency and discipline beat hype every single time. You don't need to be brilliant or famous, just strategic. Find a quiet, stable lane, stick with it,
and let compound income do the work. Real freedom isn't flashy, it's peaceful. So if you want more real-world ways to build wealth, subscribe to Wealth Hub and join thousands of smart viewers learning how to win the slow, steady, and sustainable way.